Hey everybody, today on Henry's How To's, I'm going to show you how to make Chinese orange chicken. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'll be doing this recipe based on 2 chicken breast fillets. So the first thing we'll do with our chicken is clean it up. Make sure it's nice and clean. Alright, next we just need to cube these up. So we want to make really small cubes, because once we dip it in the flour and everything, the size is going to increase, and we don't want them too big. Just like so. So next, just into a bowl, we're going to crack in 1 whole egg. To this we're going to add a pinch of salt, a couple of cracks of black pepper, and about 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Now we'll just whisk this all together and get a well combined. Next, just into another bowl, we'll start by adding in a 1/4 cup of plain flour. And to this we're going to add 2/3 of a cup of corn flour, or cornstarch. And just mix that together as well. Just like so. So what we're going to do now, guys, is preheat our deep fryer to 170 degrees Celsius. This can also be shallow fried in a pan. So for this next part, what I've done is added our chicken into our egg mixture. And we want to give that a good mix and get it well coated. And all we're going to do is get a piece of our chicken, toss it into our flour mixture, give it a good covering like that, and place it into our fry basket. And we just want to keep on repeating that, but we'll do this in a couple of batches so we don't overcrowd our deep fryer. And next we'll go ahead and place our basket straight in. After a couple of seconds, just give them a shake. And just using a slotted spoon, we're going to move them around so they're not sticking, just like so. We're going to let these cook till they're golden brown. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, so as you can see, they've all started to flip to the top and we've got a beautiful golden brown colour. And we are at the 4-minute mark. So we'll go ahead and take these out. And we just want to let them rest there while we work on our orange sauce. Alright guys, so we'll make our orange sauce next. So just into a large pan on a medium heat, we'll start by adding in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. And we're going to add in about 2 crushed garlic cloves, along with about 2 teaspoons of ginger, next we'll add in 1 cup of orange juice, about 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, about a teaspoon of red chili flakes, about 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and about 1 teaspoon of rice wine vinegar. Now we just want to mix that together and slowly bring it up to the boil. So while that's simmering, just into a bowl, we're going to add 1/2 cup of cold water. And we're just going to add 1 heaped tablespoon of corn flour to this. And we just want to mix that up. Just like so. We don't want any clumps in there. So guys, next I'm just going to add in a tablespoon of orange rind, along with our corn flour mixture, and just on a high heat we want to bring this up to the boil. Alright, so once that reaches the boil, we just want to simmer it for about 30 seconds to thicken it up. And as you can see, it is starting to thicken up, which is what we want. Alright, so next we'll go ahead and add our chicken straight in. And we'll also add about 3 tablespoons of chopped spring onions. And we just want to mix that together. So we just want to toss it through like that. And let's serve. Alright, and there we have it guys, ready to be enjoyed with some fried rice on the side. Although in my case I'm just going to have it on its own because it's just perfect. I hope you like that guys, please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.